Uh, Hello dear students, this is our EVS class of grade 5th and today we will continue with our chapter No Place for Us. Till now we have already learnt about the lifestyle of Sidya, a small boy, school going boy, and the hardship and the struggle that his family, he has a small sister and he is a son of Jaitra, a person who is doing a laborer's job. Okay. So we have learned that in the morning Sidya goes to fish factory for sorting out the fish and cleaning it as well. After that he comes back home and then he goes to the school afternoon after having a nap, just sleeping for some time, and then he goes to the school for studying, afternoon school. Then coming back from school, what he used to do in the evening, Sidya wandered around the vegetable market. Do you know why he was roaming here and there? He was in a search of such a female or a lady who has got lot of things to carry with her, so he would help her out, carry her luggage and put it in her car or auto or wherever she used to go, and that lady used to give him some money for this work. So a type of coolie type of work he was doing, but we cannot use word coolie over here because he was a small child and he was just doing a carrying some amount of luggage and then help that woman to reach to her vehicle or car or auto in whatever she was traveling. Then this was one job. Then he used to pick up empty bottles and newspaper from railway station. So basically, can we consider this as garbage? Yes. And collect all these things and sell them to kabadiwala. So again he was getting some amount of money. So in whole day, did you all calculate how much work he did? He worked in the fish factory. Then he used to do some nominal job by helping older women to carry their luggage or their articles to her home, maybe her home, and used to get some money. Then collect some garbage and sell it to kabadiwala. So how a small child studying also and doing all this small laborers job. That is why I always tell you, beta, say thanks to God and also respect your parents because they are working very hard to give you a wonderful life. Okay, so do pray for 5 minutes daily and say thank you God for giving me such a nice family and parents too. Now this was the schedule of Sidya daily, but this particular day it was already night and Sidya was working so much that he did not come home at that time, and her younger sister Jimli was watching TV, and that too how she was watching, by peeping from the window of the neighbor. So they were not having TV also at their home. Now we will learn how was Jaitra's life in village. So what is the exact difference between life in metro cities and village? Jaitri was born in Khedi village in the middle of jungles and hills. See, such a beautiful, total in the middle of greenery, okay? Life of village is very peaceful with all natural sounds like river would be flowing, trees making noise, perching of birds, and togetherness is a prime feature of people who reside in villages. They used to do farming. While going from one place to another, they used to chat with each other, sing songs together. With elders, children learn many things such as dance together, play flute, dhol, make pots of clay and bamboo. And also one very interesting thing kids used to learn, that is to recognize voice sounds of birds and imitate their sounds. Imitate means to try to make sound same like birds. Okay, thank you.